how to check battery capacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Device Care. After click on Device Care, you will see first option is Battery. Click on Battery. After click on Battery, scroll down and click on Battery Information. After click on Battery Information, so if you want to check battery capacity, so you will see battery capacity from here. After watching battery capacity, go back to home screen. So that's how you can check battery capacity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.